guys, and we're back to the Redstone tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a secret code piston door. So let's go ahead and see how this works. I think this one, then this one, and this one. Yeah, this works. This is really simple design, and I found out this from my first episode where I show off my old base, and I figured out that this will be cool to add a code right here because there wasn't any codes. So if you want to close that, you can only push one of the buttons, but if you want to fully lock that, you need to push all the buttons that was in there. I think this one, yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and actually let's leap real quick. Okay, so for this tutorial or for this thing, you will actually need some cobble or any other material that you want to build with, and actually cobble for this stuff. So you will need cobble, redstone dust, redstone repeaters, torches, redstone torches, sticky pistons, regular pistons, and buttons. And you can grab some dirt also because dirt also always comes handy. That's what she said. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we wanna do a tunnel or whatever. I recommend to do this free high, so you can add more variations to the code. I will do a little one. That's what she said. Whatever. So yeah. Basically, you can build this from any material you want to, because or you can do this even wider, like 4 wide, so, and put stone walls, and when you put buttons on it, you can barely see them. So yeah, the next step is to do this right here, and the next step is to put buttons all around the wall, like so. And I don't know if there is any other design, but I kinda just have gone into my test world yesterday and tried to do this, and it worked perfectly, so I'm showing this off for you guys right now. So we want to put sticky pistons right here, and add these two right here. Then what we want to do is decide which buttons we want to make a code from. So for instance, I will do this from 3 buttons, but you can add 1 button or even 10 buttons if you want to, or even 100 if you want to, but that would be too hard to remember, right? So I will go with this one, so this works. Then I will go with this one. This works, right? Yeah. Okay, and then I will go with this one, so I will remember this easily, like this. So the next step is to build these right here and put redstone torches on them, but don't do a mistake, because you have not to put it like this, because it will extend only one piston. Also, you can actually do this and add block here, so it will extend both pistons if you don't have much space to work with. But I recommend to do this, and also don't do like this, because, well, you can do, but I mean, I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, do this, and this. and make sure that nothing is connected to these, because they can't be connected. So next step, what you want to do is to step right here and to count at least 15 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. So this is the mark. From here you can barely hear anything. Actually the mark is 16 blocks, but 15 blocks you won't even hear that anyway, because you will be pushing the buttons. So that's it. Okay, now what we want to do is put a T flip-flop. This will be the first T flip-flop for okay, so yeah, like this. Dang it. And now you wanna add these pistons right here. It doesn't really matter if you add normal pistons or sticky pistons, it doesn't really matter, so keep that in mind. Also we want to put redstone here, and then block here, then redstone here. That's it. This is the first T flip-flop. Let's connect it with the other button that we want to connect it with. Like so, and then count 15 dusts, because after the 15th the redstone dust, the signals goes off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. So after the 50th redstone dust we want to put repeater. That's cool. Now we wanna, on this side there's 2 of these, so we wanna do 2 T flip-flops. Well, that's bad. Like so. Again, the same pistons. Add torch here, then torch here, block, and torch here. So let's extend this. And basically, if you're using levers, then you won't need T flip-flop. But I mean, if you're using levers, then I'm sorry, but you're an idiot. Because you can basically go through all the levers and that will go on, and that's it. Well, basically you can do the same thing with buttons, but nah. Whatever. If you add 100 more buttons right here, they won't bother even to do that. So yeah. So yeah, let's add another. Oh, I need to count 15 blocks, right? Don't forget to count 15 redstone dust blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 50 redstone repeater. So the other one we wanna put in, that's what she said, put in like, dang it, like this, and this basically the same thing. If you want to add lots of these binary, each one of them, then you have to do at least this, because if you add a piston right here, it will extend, right? So you want to do this. Okay, so now let's connect this also. Dang it, dude, what the hell is wrong with you? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's just enough. Okay, so yeah, now you want to do is to connect these two to each other, like so, this, and well, let's just add these here. Let's pretend that this is closed. So now you want to do is to add redstone repeater here, below that block, like right next to that block, and here. So now the redstone repeater should be on. Okay, now let's put dang it. My throat hurts. So yeah, let's put this right this way. And then you wanna connect it to one block, which will be a redstone block. A redstone, well, the block that is redstone torch on it. So, screw that. And then you want to clear out a little bit, and add these here. Also, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40. 40 for this. Well, let's add a repeater here. Okay, so that should work. Let me once again sleep. Okay, so we're back, and this should work. So the first what we wanna push is this one. That works. Then this one, and then this one. Ta-da! Yeah, that opens. So here you go, guys. You have secret code piston door. I don't know how it's called really, but I just came out with this thing with this name. So secret code piston door. Here you go. And if you want to go back, well, actually you can do anything like here, lever right here, and then you can close it. Well, I haven't tried this, but let's try and do this actually right now. So, well, no, that actually won't work. Well, it actually will work. So yeah, if you want lever right here, then so that nobody can come after you, you have to have a lever, put it anywhere, then put redstone right next to it and connect it with this block right here. So you push the buttons real quick, run in, and when somebody is chasing you, you just push this and everything goes off. Of course, if they have a pick, so that would suck, but meh, just James Bond style. If you were creating a movie or something, that would be cool. And if you want that to open when you push the code, you have to make this so there won't be any signal from it. Otherwise, you can push all the buttons that you want and it won't open. So when you go back, you actually need to push only one button to close it out. But if you want to fully lock it, you have to push all the other buttons. So yeah, now you can push any button you want and try everything, but it won't actually unlock. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to push the like button and subscribe. Also favorite if you like it. Yeah. So yeah, this is it for this episode, and I hope I will see you next time in the next redstone tutorials or in my Minecraft Let's Play. So I'm Truster, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode of Let's Play Minecraft, or let's do a tutorials for Minecraft. That was so fucked up. Dang it.